doing?
Do you want me to do one?
No.
Which one do you want me to do?
I don't know.
We'll pick one.
We need one to go right there. One.
You want me to pick one? To do one?
No.
Why not?
I want to sit right here.
Okay. Can I pop one or no?
No.
Please?
No.
Please.
You can have one.
I can?
Yeah.
All right, show me which one.
That one.
That one?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I pop one.
Okay.
The pop.
Go ahead.
It's too hard. You help me. Yay! And you're crying, and I'll make you feel better.
Okay, hold on.
You want pop one?
Sure. Which one do you want me to pop?
That one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for making me feel better.
And you pop it. You cry, and I'll make you feel better.
You want me to cry again? Well, you like it when I cry?
Daddy, do you want pop one?
Okay, which one?
That one. Thank you.
Thank you.
You cry again.
I'm not crying again.
I want mommy.
Can you laugh? Can you laugh? That's crying. Can you laugh for me? Can you cough? Can you make a funny noise?